take one example for this MinDFSM. So here this is a given DFSM which has a 6 states and 2 alphabet sets are there. So alphabet set contains what? A and B. So check out, there is a transition from each of the state for these alphabets A and B. And what about the states here? How many states I have? 6 states. So 1 to 6 are the states. So according to the algorithm, what is the first step? First I should create the classes. So these classes contains what? One class contains the final states of the DFSM, another class contains the states except the final state. So what are the final state in this DFSM? So as I said, final states are marked with a double circle. So 2 and 4 has a double circle. So these two are the what? Final states here. So I will make a class of a final state. So which contain 2, 4. 2 second state and 4 state are the final state. And non-final states are what? 1, 3, 5, 6 are the non-final state. So first step is over. I had created the classes. So these are my classes. Next, I am going to repeat these steps, okay, for each of these states by considering each of these states for a given input symbol. So before that, I should introduce a new class. So what is my new class here? New classes are 2, 4 and 1, 3, 5, 6. Next, I should find the transitions for each of the state for each of the character here. So first I will take final states and check out the transition for a given input symbol. So 2, A. So 2, A, check out. After accepting the A from a second state, where you reach to a 3. And 3 is a member of which group? The non-final group. So whole group I will write here 1, 3, 5, 6. So after accepting A from a second state, where I reach a 3. And 3 is a member of the another group. So whole group I am going to consider here. Next, 2, B, where I reach? See. Check out the B ka transition from second state. So where I reach a 6 here. So 6 is a member of this group. So I will write here 1, 3, 5, 6. Next, 4 state ka also you check out. So 4 of A, where you reach, and 4 of B. 4 of A. So where I reach after accepting the A from 4th state, I will reach to a 6th state. So 6 is a member of this group. So 1, 3, 5, 6 I will write. Next, for B, where I reach? 4th from B I reach 1, 3, 5, 6. So here 2 of A, where you are reaching 1, 3, 5, 6. And 4 of A also you are reaching 1, 3, 5, 6. 2 of B you check out, you are reaching the same state. So no splitting of this class, because after accepting A or B from 2 and 4 you are reaching the same state. So I am not going to divide this class. So same you do for what? The second class also. So 1 of A, where you are going to reach. Next 1 of B, where you are going to reach. Identify that. So 1 of A you are going to reach a 2, and 2 is a member of this class. So I will write the whole class 2, 4. 1 of B, again I reach a 4 class, so 2, 4 here. Next, take a second state here from the other group, that is 3. So check out 3 of A, where you reach, and 3 of B. 3 of A, check out the transition, where you reach a state 2. So 2 and 4 I will write, because 2 is a member of this group. And 3 of B you reach what? 4. So 2, 4 I will write. Next, to take a 5 here. 5 of A, where you reach a 2. So I will write 2, 4. Next, 5 of B. 5 of B you reach what? 2, 4. You reach a 4th state, and 4 is a member of this class. So I will write a whole class here. Same you do for 6 also. So 6 of A, where you reach 6 of A is 6 itself, so that is 1 3 5 6, and 6 of B you reach a same state, so 1 3 5 6 I will write. So these are the states of a non-final state, but check out 2 of A, check out 1 of A, 3 of A, 5 of A and 6 of A. So 1 of A, 3 of A, 5 of A, you are going to reach what? A class that contains a 2 and 4, but there is a change in the 6 of A. So 6 of A you are reaching what? 1 3 5 6, the other class you are reaching. So based on this, see, check out the 1 of B, 3 of B, 5 of B, again you are reaching the same class. So I will make a group of 1 3 5 because after accepting the A as well as a B, I am reaching the same class. So these are the indistinguishable classes, where this is moving to a distinguishable classes. So I will divide 6 from this group. So I will write a new class list here. So new classes are what? 2 and 4, these are already there. Next I will change, I will split this class. I will write 1 3 5 in one group and 6 I will write in a separate group, where 6 is a single state, so further division is not possible. After that again you are going to follow the same procedure. Next again you are going to find 2 of A, 4 of A, 2 of B, 4 of B. So here I will write 2 of A, I will check. Next 2 of B. 2 of A, where I reach? See, now there is a change in the classes. So each time when you split the classes, you should find out the transitions and check out which class it belongs. So 2 of A, where you move to a 3. Here 3 is a member of a new class, that is 1 3 5. 2 of B, you are reaching what? 6 here. Next, take a next member of the class, so that is 4. 4 of A, where you are going to reach? 4 of A, you are going to reach to a 6, and 4 of B, where you are going to reach? You are going to reach to a 5, where 5 is a member of this group. 1 3 5. Now check out 2 of A, you are reaching 1 3 5 class, and 4 of A you are reaching 6 class. So these are the distinguishable classes, these are not same. So you are going to divide what? 2 and 4 here, because after accepting the A and B from these two states, you are reaching the two different states. If you are reaching the same state, then it is called as indistinguishable. But here you are reaching two different states, so these are distinguishable. Distinguishable is nothing but you can split this. So now after this I can split 2 and 4. So 2 will be in one group, 4 will be in another group. Same you do for 1 3 5. See, 6 I can't check because it is a alone state. But here I should check, shall I split 1 3 5 based on the transitions. So 2 and 4 ka head checked. Next I should check what? 1 3 5. So next I should check what? The transition for a next group, that is 1 3 5. Shall I split that based on the state they reach after accepting the input symbol? So 1 of A. So what are my classes here? 2 4 1 3 5 6. So 3 classes I have. So check out the transition from each of these states. So 1 of A, where I reach a 2, and 2 is a member of this class, 2 and 4. Next 1 of B. So 1 of B, where I reach 4. So I'll write 2 comma 4. Next 3 of A I reach 2, so I'll write 2 comma 4. 3 of B where I reach a 4, so I'll write here 2 comma 4. Next 5 of A I reach 2, so I'll write 2 comma 4. And 5 of B where I reach to a fourth state, where fourth state is a member of this. So check out, after accepting a input symbol from these states, I am moving to the same state, that is 2 comma same class, that is 2 comma 4. So splitting is not possible because these are the indistinguishable states. So now I will not change, I will not divide this group, but based on these two I can divide the first group, that is 2 and 4. So I'll write a new classes again. So new classes are what? So based on these two transition, I can say 2 comes in one group and 4 in another group, because after accepting the A and B from these states, I am reaching a 2 different states, new states. So now based on that I had divided 2 and 4. What about 1, 3, 5? 1, 3, 5 will be in one group only, because after accepting the transition, after checking the transition for A and B, they are reaching the same state. Next, what about the last? The 6th state remain as it is. After that, now I should check out, see 2 is a one group, 4 is another group. Now I should check out whether I can split this group further. So I'll take 1 of A again, next 1 of B, 3 of A, 3 of B, next 5 of A, 5 of B. So 1 of A where I reach 2. So 2 is a separate group now, so I'll write directly 2 here. 1 of B where I reach a 4. Next 5 of A. 5 of A where I reach to a second state. 5 of B I reach to a fourth state. Next 3 of A where I reach to a second state. 3 of B I reach to a fourth state. So check out, after accepting a and B from these state, I will be in the same, I am moving to a same state, that is 2 and 4. So 1 of A where I move to a second state. Check out the 5 of A, 3 of A. Next 1 of B, 5 of B, 3 of B. So states, these states are indistinguishable states. So I will not divide these further. So this is a separate class which has a single state. So single state you can't further divide. 4 is a separate class and 6 is a separate state. So 1, 3, 5 I can't divide because these are the indistinguishable state. So based on the states I get after checking the input symbol from this, I am going to reach a same state. So based on that I can say these are the indistinguishable. So now how many states I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many states? The original DFSM has 6. Now I reduced that to a 4 states. So draw the transition diagram for this. So I'll write second state, fourth state, then 1, 3, 5 will be in a will be considered as a one state, and 6 is another state. So 2 and 4 are the final state in the given DFSM. So those become a final state of a minimized DFSM also. Next 2 of A where I reach, see check out here, 2 of A where I reach 1, 3, 5. So I'll write here A. 2 of B where I reach to a 6. Next 4 of A 6 and 4 of B is 1, 3, 5. Next 1, 3, 5 of A where I reach 1, 3, 5 of A I reach to a second state. Next 1, 3, 5 of B where I reach to a state 4. Next any other state का transition left out? See from second state I had shown A and B का transition. Next from fourth state I had shown B and A का transition. from 6 state. So 6 of A, where I reach to a same state, and 6 of B also. So it is a self loop. Next, which will be the start state here? 1 is a start state of a given DFSM. So 1 is a member of this group. So this is a start state here. So this is a given minimized DFSM for a DFSM. So I had applied the algorithm min DFSM, and at the end I come with the min DFSM. See, check out the language which is accepted by this original DFSM will also be accepted by this min DFSM, but I had removed the dead states the given DFSM. So this is a final DFSM I had got. So I hope you understood this problem. We'll take one more example in the next video on this. Thank you.